Welcome to this quick video look at the Tiki Torch. Nothing says summer like a well-installed Tiki Torch. However, sometimes our soil is just too hard to get this bamboo in the ground in a safe way. So I'm going to use an auger here because I'm in California. We basically have two types of soil. It's either rock hard or it's mud and it's collapsing in on us. But anyway, this little auger made this a snap, and they are absolutely super easy to install once you have a 1-inch hole in the ground. Now getting them ready to go in the game is super easy. Just pop the cans out, take the lid off, fill it up with the citronella or regular oil of your choice. I happen to love the citronella because it does a great job at warding off the insects on a summer evening, and what better thing than to have a bug-free environment in your outdoor space. So you just return the Tiki Torch can back to the torch and keep the cap on when you're not using it. But after you've got that wick soaked, it is super easy to light, and then you're able to enjoy your outdoor space. And Tiki Torches are just a symbol of the summer and a way to enjoy your outdoor space with a warm, inviting glow around your campsite or your patio or whatever. And I hope you enjoy yours as much as I do mine. Thanks for watching, everybody. You all have a fantastic week.